Good morning. This is the second video clip of the mulberry. Some are ripening now. It becomes black. Yeah, look. There are many ways to propagate this through cuttings or air layering. But since this is easy to propagate by cuttings, but also you can try marcoting or air layering. Yes, just like this one. Mm. Well, I have marketed ones I already put in the pot. Actually, the one in the other pot. See there? Look, this is it. There. Hmm. There. Almost every branches has that one. This is newly, leaves are newly snipped off. Then they will form like this. Become slowly getting red. And finally getting black. But just like this, tanggalin lang yung mga dahon kasi ang bilis niyang yumabong. There. Really. There. Beautiful. You can mark it right here. And then, pag yumabong na gaya nito, see? Oh, tanggalin lang yan. You can use scissor or just snap it, like that. No fuss. There. I just snip up like that. Sometimes I use pruner. Or like that. See? Kakalbuhin mo lang yan. And this one. Ganyanin mo lang, oh. Just do it like that. Stick na lang siya tingnan. But promise, after a few days, you can also pinch the tops like that. Yeah. It's not difficult. Actually, this is not tricky. Easiest plant I have encountered. You just cut them, tusok sa ground with water, dissolve. Then, kalbuhin mo siya. Kalbuhin, and then it comes back. Kalbuhin ulit. Yan, and then yung mga maliliit na ganyan tulad niyan, pwede mo tanggalin para mas malaki-laki yung mga bungang lalabas. No? Ganyan. Ayan. Titirhan ko rin naman siya ng kakaunting green tulad niyan para naman magandang combination. May red, may black, and may green. Oh, nahulog yung bunga. There. We'll go to the other pot. See this one? I was pruning this grapevine over my head yesterday, but I was not done. There. Plenty. And there. I tried to record this so others would know that this kind of plant or fruit bearing tree is not difficult to, like that. You see this one? Okay, I'm low bat now. See, you can empty this out, take off like that. More often I had to cut them just up to my reach. You know, like that. Not over than that. It's difficult to climb. So you can maintain the height you desired for easy picking and pruning. So, it's like that. Yes, hindi yan magtatampo. But then, it feels more happier and more fruitful. Like that. So, we'll go back seeing this inspired berries. Hairy berries. See that one? Here comes. Here comes my picker. Up. You have to wait for me. No? I'll just give it to you. Oh yes, I know. Are you happy? You happy ka? Happy? Unsay hitsuras happy? Muni ko no hitsuras happy. Unsay happy face bi? Yan ang happy face. Ang aming fruit bat na bata. Fruit bata. You have to wait for me. There plenty. It's just wonderful. Please don't pick. Only the black one, madam. Just the black one. Not the red one. Directly? Just like that? Is it good? Huh? Is it good? Yes, she can freely eat because there is no spraying of chemicals. Right, Shalom? Oh, careful. Look. Only the black one. There. Yup, slowly. Don't pick the green and the red one, okay? Yan. Basta reachable niya. Anything reachable fruits. Kaya ayokong mag-spray ng chemicals dahil meron kaming bat dito na hindi lumilipad. Ayan. Ito ang bat namin. The walking bat and the climbing bat. Ang pangalan niya si? Marbelli. Where did you get that name? Your name?
Shalom. It's Princess Shalom.
It's Princess Shalom, she said. It's Princess Shalom.
It's white.
Unsay in English sa hinog? Ha?
Pauna simukuan.
Smile naman dyan kay nakakaon. Happy face. Unsa man ang face happy. Oh, yan. Kapusing pa yan. Oh. Ingna. Ingna plant na mo og mulberry.
Plant na mo og marbelli.
Marbelli ba oy? Now I know.
No.
Ang tawag mo sa mulberry, marbelli.
Marbili?
No, mulberry. Please don't do like that. Masnap na.
Now.
Just the black one. Just the black one.
Ito black.
Blacks kakaron. Oh, unsay mo kasulti?
Thank you.
Thank you who? Thank you who?
Thank you ho.
Unsay thank you who? Kinsa may imong thank youhan?
Thank you mami.
Dili ako oy.
Thank you Papa Jesus.
Good. Okay, get out there now. Ingna have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Happy gardening everyone.
Happy garden and everyone.
Gardening.
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 In a plant more.
Plant more.
Look at here.
Look at here.
Nay. Smile naman dyan. Ayan. Only the black one, madam.
Black madam.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Ciao.